friend. Wow, my friend, what is this, my friend? Look, so many cars here. Check this out, my friend. Wow, nice, friend. Look at this. Okay, we are going to clean them up, my friend. Let's go. Wow. Oh, all the cars. Look at this. Alright. Dinosaurus, my friend. Wow. Alright. Okay, go get this fresh water. Clean water. Alright, let's go. Let's start, my friend. Alright, what is this, my friend? Yeah. Amazing. Oh my god, this is a police car. And white, color white. And how about this one? Okay. Wow, this is a plane, my friend. Blue and white. Okay. This one is Tayo.
Pat!
Kyle,
What's going on?
over there.
Huh?
Look at this. Amazing. Okay. What else? How about this? Look at this. Okay, the blue one.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Nice car, my friend. Alright. Well, and this one is this is Ramirez. Alright, Ramirez. How about this one, my friend? Look at this. Oh, this is a rally car. Red color, very nice. And about this one? This is amazing car, my friend. Double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
Wow, nice. Beautiful double cabin. And this is, what is this, my friend? Alright, sorry, this is a fire rescue. Look at this. Nice car, my friend. Okay. This is the big one. Okay, beautiful. McQueen, my friend.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know, Tahiti maybe.
I like it, McQueen. Okay. How about this one? Wow, this is the Captain of America. Okay, clean already. And this one is Thomas. Hello, Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Clean already, Thomas. Okay, what this one? This is green color. Rally car. Okay, beautiful. Amazing. Wow, what is this, my friend? Alright, this is a dinosaurus. No problem, clean already. Alright, this one is amazing. No matter.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know, Tahiti maybe.
Well, hello, Tomato. Okay. This is amazing dump truck. Okay, nice dump truck. Wow. Again, my friend, red color of lighting liquid. Wow, nice. This one is a Molen car. Look at this, my friend. Beautiful. Okay. What this one? Oh, this is a loader. Very nice loader. Okay. What is this, my friend? Wow, this is Sheriff. Good Sheriff. Ha! Yellow one. Ayo.
The garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course.
Nice. Ayo. Okay. This one kind of a rally car, blue one. Color of blue. Okay, this one is a dump truck, my friend. Look at this beautiful dump truck. Okay, this one is Jeep. Very nice. Okay, this one. Okay, this is NASCAR, my friend.
Far. As you can see, Jimmy Johnson has come down pit road. Jamie Little, what's going on?
Well, you see him on pit road.
Very good. And this one, this is a snow tractor. Well, amazing. Look at this. Very nice. Okay. This one is Jackson top. Very nice. Clean already, my friend. This one is a race. Car race. Okay, good. This is Tayo.
Right. Oh, nice.
Hello, Tayo. Very nice, Tayo. Okay. This one is drag race, my friend. Look at this. Look the machine, my friend. Nice. The last one. What is this? This is the red color of a NASCAR. Very good. Finish, my friend. Look at this. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.